Welcome to Friday's market wrap-up here at Wealth Creation Investing. I'm Matthew Buckley, WCI's Chief Investment Strategist, and ending basically a quiet week as far as macroeconomic data and earnings. More or less done with the Q1 earnings season. And while it sounds positive with about three-quarters of the S&P companies beating on earnings, we all know that if you can't hit the ball over the net, companies go out and lower the net, right? So cost cutting, working employees harder, using laptops from 2006, all that stuff might help companies beat on earnings, but it's just not good long term for the economy. So quiet week as the market grinds higher. This morning, yesterday, we saw weekly unemployment claims drop, so that helped the market a little bit, even though it sold off just a little bit yesterday as market just took a breather from the more or less melt up it's been on. Fed chief is speaking this morning, and then also another Fed member there, George, is going to speak as well. But it's basically all quiet on the Western front here as we grind higher under quantitative easing. We know that the macroeconomic picture here in the United States is just simply not good, but it doesn't matter because you can't fight the Fed. Pre-market action, GLD is selling off. Huge rally in the dollar, especially versus the yen. So the GLD closed yesterday at 140.81, and pre-market it's down to 138.46. So gold under pressure today, on track for its first weekly loss in 3 weeks. So gold was channeling here in this 144, 138, and looks like it's going to test the bottom here. We haven't seen 138 in a couple weeks. So weekly options model portfolio over here at Top Gun Options looking pretty good. Apple bull put spreads on track for a max gain of about $1,200 there. Netflix Iron Condor going to show a max gain of about $1,200. GLD Iron Condor was showing a profit yesterday, $1,600 at the closing bell, but this is going to show a little bit of a loss this morning with the GLD pulling back. If you're in the weekly options model portfolio, I sent out an SMS and a text alert update. Didn't get filled on yesterday's two trades, new Iron Condor on Netflix and a new Iron Condor on the GLD. I'm not going to try and get filled on this GLD Iron Condor this morning. Just to give you a heads up, I'm going to evaluate the price movement on the GLD today and see if there's a new trade. Otherwise, I'm going to wait for the GLD to stabilize here because, again, big dollar rally, U.S. equities just melting up, and people starting to flock out of gold a little bit today. So other than that, looking forward to a good weekend. Got some family coming into town, so happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. Have a great weekend, and I'll be back with Monday's Market Outlook. Have a great Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. We'll see you Monday.